Hello everyone, I'm Umar and welcome to my guest slot for my Tiny Tableau tip, which is swapping metrics with a parameter. With this tip, what it can do is it allows you to change a metric without entirely having to create a new chart altogether. So how do you do this? I'm going to go into the worksheet view and I'm going to create a parameter which is called select a metric. So I'll do that right now. I'm going to change the data type to an integer and I'm going to click on to list allowable values. So I'll add 3 values into this parameter and I'm going to display them as sales for number 1, profit as number 2 and discount as number 3. And that's our parameter created. Now I want to create another calculated field which uses a case statement called selected metrics. So I'll do that right now. And the case statement is case select a metric when 1 then sales. So in that effect, what that means is when I implement the parameter, I will be able to change the metric using that parameter within the confines of the chart itself. And I'll do the same again for profit, when 2 then profit, and then when 3 then discount, and I'll end the case statement there. The calculation is valid, so I'll click OK. What I'll then do is remove sales from columns and add the selected metrics into the view, and then I'll unshow the header, and then I'll do exactly the same thing with label. What I'll then do is just change the number format to a currency with no decimal places and a $sign. I'll click OK. I'm happy with how this looks now. Now I'm going to show the parameter into the view, and then what I'll then do is edit the title to include the parameter, just like so. Click apply and then I'll click OK. Now what I can do now is, it's already on sales, I can switch the metric in the parameter from sales to profit, and what we can see instantly is how profitable are the subcategories within the supersort dataset. And then I can do the same thing for average discount and vice versa. And what that means is in the dashboard, when I add that filter in, it means that the user is able to have a greater level of control with the chart when they're wanting to find out how profitable their subcategories are, or how many sales that they're making through their subcategories. And this is a really useful way of being able to swap metrics without creating an entirely new chart altogether. So this has been my guest slot for Tiny Tableau tips for how to swap metrics with a parameter. I want to say thank you to Tor for giving me the opportunity to give you this tip. So hopefully I'll be back soon with another Tiny Tableau tip. Bye for now.